my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well today. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking on this video, and thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. I do have another makeup look for you guys today, a little bit more toned down than the one I did last time. And if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, keep watching, and I do hope you enjoy, and I shall see you guys next time. Toodles. This is one of my favorite skincare products that I use on my face. This is called the Energy Beauty Bar. Really, really nice. And it comes in a little package like that, and there it is. Tracy Ellis Ross has one of these. I was watching her on Instagram and I thought, what? I have one of those. So it's just really easy. You turn it on just like that, and then you just massage your face. My face is nice and clean, by the way, so I'm just going to take a couple of minutes just to massage. So my eyes are getting there, and so far so good with this tool. I really like this, guys, and again, if you are struggling with cut creases, this is the product for you. You will not go wrong. It really helps to keep that line, that cut crease line, nice and neat. You will not regret that purchase. I mean, for me, it's a big help. So I'm just going back in with this Supreme Seductress palette. This is from Amazon. I showed you guys this a long time ago. And I'm going to use a clean brush, and I'm going to use the color Single. And I'm just going right over the brow bone, just on top. Okay, so we are going to go in now with eyeliner, and where is that brush? I am going to use this angle brush here, and it's very small. I think this is, I have a feeling this is a MAC brush. I am not quite sure. I have so many brushes and I have no idea where they're from sometimes. So this black eyeliner is from Amazon, and I got this. It came in a set of 2, And I had these for God knows how long, and they still work. Nice and soft, and it goes on so nice. And sometimes, listen, when you buy things that are cheap from Amazon, it lasts a lot longer than when you buy something that's expensive. So I'm not going to go from the corner. I'm just going to start from right here and bring this down. So my eyes are done, the eyelashes are on, and the blue eyeliner that you are seeing in my waterline, this is Royal Blue, and this is from BH Cosmetics. It's going to be linked below for you. Beautiful, gorgeous blue as opposed to using black. This is definitely an option. It's a deep royal blue. And so I'm going to be going in with the NYX Shine Killer. I wash my face, moisturize, and of course I use my little massager. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this just in the areas where I know I'm going to shine. I don't have any color correcting on my face today. I'm just going to put the Shine Killer on. I might as well just put it all over my face. I might as well. But this is where, you know, you shine the most, in your T-zone. And there we be. I am going to use my F3 foundation from Morphe. You guys would have seen this before, so we're just going to go straight into blending. I'm just going to use a foundation brush and just going to put this on. This is nicely blended out. I am so happy with this foundation. And again, this is F3 from Morphe. And as you can see, I'm bringing this all the way down to my neck. And it matches really good. So now I'm going to go in with my powder. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is in the shade 240. And I'm just going to use this brush here. And this brush is from Amazon. It came in a set of 2. I don't think I have the other one here, but it is from Amazon. I'm going to link it below for you just in case you want to pick it up. So I'm just going to give myself a little bit of powder. I know you must be thinking to yourself, wow, that powder is too light for your face. It isn't. It's a really good shade. Because I'm dipping into it and I'm putting it on, but you can barely see anything. And I'm just going in really light with the powder. You really don't need much of this at all, just a little. And there we are. So let's work on the lips. We are going to go in with some lip balm. So I'm now going to be using this lipstick from BH Cosmetics. This is a liquid linen lipstick. The name of this is going to be left in the description box for you guys. You would have seen this in my new for fall video not too long ago. This is very pretty. I'm going to be using my purple lip liner. This is from Primark. It came in a kit. I have this in my collection for a while now. Oh my lord, I love this lipstick. Again, this is from BH Cosmetics. This is the liquid linen lipstick. I'm going to leave the name of this in the description box for you guys. It looks so pretty. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this. Looks great. So pretty though. Wow. Lovely. So I'm going to go in with another blush on my cheeks. This is from NYX and this is called Summer Breeze. I like this. Just a little hint of something on the cheeks. Now first of all guys, I didn't go in with too much highlight on my cheeks. I really don't. You may not be able to see it on camera, but when I look in my mirror, I can see it. Just like that. That is very nice. So I'm just going to use my favorite setting spray from IT Cosmetics, Your Skin But Better setting spray. Love this. One of my top favorites. Okay, my lovelies, here we are with the finished look of the makeup. What do you guys think of this one? I like this makeup look today, a little bit different to the one I did last week. This is a lot more toned down for sure, more subtle than the one that I did last week, which was a little bold, although I did get lots of compliments on that makeup look. But sometimes, like I said, it's good to step out of your comfort zone and do something a little bit different for your makeup. But you know, me being over 50, I like to keep everything nice and subtle. Love this particular look. Love the lipstick. The lipstick is super awesome, wonderful. It's the linen liquid lipstick. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is going to be down below for you guys just in case you want to pick this up. Perfect for the fall season. And I love the powder. And of course I went in with my Morphe foundation F390. You guys would have seen all of this in previous videos. Love this look. And of course, my friends, I have to highlight this product again. This is the Crease Line Kit and this is from Amazon. You need to get yourself one of these. If you are someone like myself who is struggling to do that cut crease, you will not regret this buy. This is going to be one of the most ingenious things you'll ever have in your beauty collection, because it's really going to help you to keep that crease line nice and neat. Not 100% perfect, but it's going to keep it nice and neat like I do mine today. And I'm so happy I got this. I saw this on TikTok and I thought, you know what, let me try it. People use spoons and forks and all kinds of things, but I thought it's silicone, why not get it? It's going to be in the description box. If I find the link, it's going to be there for you, or just look up Crease Line Kit on Amazon. Very inexpensive, you will not regret it. Everything else that I use on my face is going to be down below for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Bye.